is the tinnitus surgery, which we are very proud about. And incidentally, we do the largest series of tinnitus surgeries in India at this part, or the world at this stage. And this seems to be one of the rarest of the rare, probably one of the only surgery performed in the world by Dr. Sridhar and Dr. Panaya and team. The clinical details I will leave it to Dr. Sridhar and Dr. Panaya to tell you. But as an institution, it's our endeavor to bring back the best in clinical services through the best of clinical team. And we've been able to do and deliver it time and again, being one of the youngest organizations in this part of the world. And I thank all of you to take out time and to listen to us. And please be
elevated, then we need to facilitate, we need to check up the patient and see if he will be fit for the procedure. So the most important concern from the attenders would be whether he will be fit for such a prolonged procedure in both the sides of the brain, which is not usually done. But thanks to the modern anesthetic techniques, the modern day anesthesia machines, monitors, whatever gadgets we have got in our hospital, has made our job easier. Thereby, we reduce risk of the procedure to very minimal. With all the available equipments, with all available monitoring to continuously monitor the heart, and also the brain will be monitored intraoperatively. We have to facilitate that also. The anesthesia what we give should not interfere with the monitoring which is done for the brain. So that is also a very important thing. With the help of all the facilities available, we were able to successfully complete it without any complications or any issues. That's the first thing which will strike a patient. Will there be any complications if we go for a two-side procedure in the same sitting for a prolonged period in an elderly person? Fortunately, with the gadgets and with the available anesthesia techniques, it is now possible. That probably we can say. The anesthesia is developed in a very modern way where we can do even such procedures with very minimal risk. It's like traveling in a flight. We don't never think that another flight is going to crash. So, but that's the amount of confidence which the modern anesthesia techniques and machines are given to us. So, by delicately choosing the patient, yes, it is possible to undergo such successful procedure, which will be of immense help for the patient to relieve their sufferings.
I thank all of you for your effort in first promoting the idea that surgery for tinnitus works. In our previous press conference on the same subject, when we had shown our patient who recovered, and now it is now 6 to 7 months post that, and he is absolutely fine without any tinnitus. I'm glad to share that with you. Just to recap a little bit, I will just tell you what is tinnitus. Now, tinnitus is a hearing of a sound when there is actually no sound. So patients hear a sound when there is no sound actually outside. So that is tinnitus. And it can be of different types of sounds. It's not that it has to be only one sound. It can be like a steam engine going. It can be like a, it can be like a whistle. It can be like the ringing of a bell. There are several conditions that produce tinnitus. It can be tumors. It can be fluid collection. It can be a problem in the ear itself. It can be a problem like demyelination. So there are many things which cause this tinnitus. And as far as we are concerned as neurosurgeons, what we have to see is when all these other problems which can cause the tinnitus have been ruled out, how else can we help these patients? Because it's really a very terrible disease. Imagine having one sound in the ear all the time. It creates problems with concentration, not able to sleep. So basically, இப்போ modern சொல்ல பார்த்தா it disturbs the quality of life. So the quality of life is completely gone, And we have patients who have just lost interest in doing anything. They have stopped studying. Women have stopped taking an interest in life, things like that. So this is a very, very disabling problem, and that's why it is so important to understand what we try to do here.